Hi all, welcome back. So today is 13th January 2023, and in this video, let us try to see an intraday price action in HDFC Life Insurance Stock Limited. Okay, so let us try to see what has happened in this particular stock. I mean, what kind of move it has given today, and what we can learn from that move. Let us try to see in this particular video. Okay, so we are already on HDFC Life Insurance limited stock chart only, and we are on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so now this is the 5-minute time frame chart, and I have plotted two levels here. Okay, so the first level which we are seeing here is the support and resistance level, and this is support from last 2 days, and this is also behaved as a support on 9th January, and on 10th January it tried to give some support, but it failed. But again, once price fell down on 11th January, it started giving rejections. Okay, so that means this level is behaving as a support and resistance for the stock. And also from last 2 days, or mainly on 11th January and 12th January, this is the level where it started taking the support. Okay, so we are seeing that price is trading in this particular zone from last 2 days. Okay, so now let us come to the today's price action. Okay, so I will zoom here. You can see it clearly. Okay, so today also opening and the first 5-minute candle was almost in the mid zone of those two levels. Okay, so there is no clear clue whether it will go up or whether it will go down. And also we can see the first 5-minute candle as the spikes, almost equal spike above the body of the candle and below the body of the candle. So there is no much clue, but after that candle, after that first 5-minute candle, buyers started taking it up continuously, and they reached to that level, whatever the level which we have plotted at the upside, that is coming around 604 rupees. Okay, and after reaching to that level, again price fell down, again buyers took it up. Okay, so here what happens, once first they reach to this point and they fell down, and again they reach to the same level, right? Okay, now this is the second attempt of buying, and this is the second time they are trying to take the price above that level. Okay, and also along with that second attempt, they stayed in that particular level or in that particular zone for almost uh, roughly we can say 1 hour, 1 hour 5 minutes. We can consider as 1 hour only. So in this particular zone, the price stayed or price traded in at the same level. Okay, it is not falling or it is not going up. But what an intraday trader thinks by seeing this kind of behavior, okay, so when the price is going to the upside direction or to the same level again, uh, it should go up and it should make a new high over there, and that is not happening. And they spent more than 1 hour duration to go up, but they failed. And after that, the price started slowly coming down, right? So this is the place where many new traders, new intraday traders, will be trapped to take the sell position. Okay, will be trapped to take the sell position, expecting that at least it will come up to this level, because first attempt when the price reached to that level, it fell up to this extent. So when the second attempt, even after spending 1 hour duration of time and having almost 2 to 3 times of buying attempt over there, at 10 o'clock, 10:05 a.m. candle, we are seeing a good green candle. And at 10:25 candle also, it was try to go up. Again, after 10:50 also, we are seeing some sort of buying green candle over there. So almost at higher level, we can consider 3 good attempts of buying, but that is failed. And after that, the price started coming down. So we are seeing the price trading below the zone which we have plotted. So most of the intraday traders will look for this selling the stock and shorting the stock to take the profit at this support level at least. If not, some people may be expecting this level also, but 90% of the traders who are taking the sell position will be at least targeting this level. Okay, but what happened here is, if you carefully observe the price or the candle's behavior here, this 11:15 candle is fell down below the zone, whatever we have highlighted. But the closing of that candle is almost, it again went up and it closed in that particular zone only. So whatever the selling it has happened here, it bought in that particular candle itself. And all the move that it has done has become a spike. Okay. And following candles also, they're not closing below this support. Okay. Why I'm saying a support? Because buyers started taking support at this level only, right? And there was many, there is a good red candle again. There are many candles, red candles again, but none of the candles have closed below this small support level. If any of this candle has closed somewhere here, then there would have been more chances that price would be coming to at least this level, right? But this is a clear trap and also clear clue also for the traders not to take the sell position, because this is not the selling point. Because all the first candle itself, they gave a clue that buyers are here. Okay, in this particular candle, 11:15 candle only, they gave a clue that when the price is falling to that level, buyers are ready to take the buy position. They have shown it here only. And after that, what they are doing, they spent, let me see, how many minutes they spent in that particular selling. Okay, so if I consider this, 40 minutes duration, okay, roughly 40 minutes, 45 minutes duration, they spent in that particular zone only, where already buyers have shown their strength, saying that when the price falls up to this level, we are ready to take the buy positions. And in that particular buyers active zone only, they spent almost 45 minutes, and they have shown all are red candles only, which traps the, or which makes the new traders to take the sell position. By seeing the red candles, continuous red candles, we will make ourselves to take the sell position more confidently. But if we don't see the candles behavior very carefully, we will be making the mistake. Okay. And also what they did, if you see this particular 11:45 candle also, they have shown as if they have tried to go up, and all the price, whatever the buying has happened, they brought it down in that particular candle only. And this is also a kind of behavior to make the sellers to feel confidently to take the sell position, because there are selling pressure also. But whatever the selling pressure they have shown, but that selling pressure has not made any of the candle to close below the small support. So they make sure that closings are very, they make sure that closings are not below the support, and they have tried as many, they have trapped as many sellers as possible in this 45 minutes duration. And you see, after trapping all the intraday sellers or short traders here, they started taking it up continuously, and you see how the candles moved towards the upside direction. Right, all are green candles, and each and every candle is making the closings above the previous candles. So this is what the good and very strong move towards the upside direction, and that shows that the buyer strength. And because of the, the reason for the buyer strength is this, because of the sellers only, because there are many intraday sellers or new traders who are not following the price action very carefully, or who are not observing the candles very carefully. They would have been taken short positions, and everybody who has taken the short position, definitely they would have been kept their stop losses just above this particular highs, because during the day it made up to this high, and then also it did not able to go up above that level, right? So everybody who has taken the short positions here, minimum to minimum, they would have been kept their stop loss just above this or level or resistance level during the day, and they have killed everybody, and then they stayed in that zone for a long time. Okay, so this is what the good lesson for the intraday traders. Not only the new traders, I say, for some experienced traders also, they should learn, or they should keenly observe each and every candle before taking the trade. So don't force yourself to take the trades, or don't force yourself to enter any positions, because there are good traps. And if we observe the traps, and if we observe the clues, because though there is a trap, there is a very good clue also. So that is a very good clue that they have given, manipulators have given, because this 11:15 candle itself has shown a very good buyer strength in that particular sell, I mean that in that fall. And from there on, they spent 45 minutes in that particular zone only. They did not fell below, or they did not close below that candle. So that itself is a big clue for the sellers who have taken the position to come out of their position. Even if they, even unknowingly, if anybody has taken these short positions here, at least they should trail down the stop loss. Because if they have, when they have taken the short position here, maybe they might have kept the stop loss here. But by seeing the weakness in the closings here, they should bring down the stop loss at least to this level, whatever the high that it made, at least to this level. Because by seeing the weakness in the closings, because candles are not closing below the previous candles. If you see this move, each and every candle is making the closings above the previous candles. So that is the move buyers should get. And similarly, sellers should also get the move, like candles should close below the previous candles. So then only they can be, or they can stay in the position. Otherwise, they should come out of their position. And especially in the intraday trading, staying more time in the position without getting the clear closings, or very strong closings, it will be very risky also. Okay, so this is what I want to explain to you in this particular video. So one thing is that traps are always there in intraday, and we should be practicing to understand those traps, and we should trade on those traps. Okay, so you should, if you practice very carefully, or if you practice more, you will understand that this is a trap, and you will look for the buying. And once it closes, 12-5 candle has closed above this particular spike, so that is the place you should take the buy position. So this is what the manipulators, or this is what the professional traders will do. Okay, so if you keep on practicing the candles, if you keep on practicing the price actions, and if you understand the manipulations, and if you understand the traps, you will not lose money easily. Okay, so intraday trading is just to understand the traps. Okay, so I hope this behavior is very common. Actually, this is very common trap. And this, I think today only I have seen this similar kind of behavior, trapping the sellers and moving up, has happened on many of the stocks. But I don't have time to explain you or go through all the stocks. But you, if you have time, if you want to practice more, you go through each and every stock, what has happened today, see what traps they have given today, and understand and learn it and practice it, so that you will be, you will not make losses initially. You will not make the losses first, and slowly you will start making the good profits also. So I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.